In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot a part of your Mac screen. So let's get to it. As you see here, I have opened up my desktop here on Mac. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy just a part of my screen. I don't have to do the whole screen, just a part of the screen. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you just need to screenshot just a part of your screen, but you just don't know how, well, this is how. All you have to do is hit Command, Shift, and then the number 4. That's going to turn your crosshairs or your cursor, as you see here up in the clouds, it's going to turn it to a kind of like a crosshairs. And so all you do is this part of your screen you want to capture. Let's say I want to capture this widget over here. It's going to show me the dimensions of my crop, as you see here on the little numbers right next to the crosshairs. And then once I drag that over what I want, left click and drag, you let go of it and it takes a screenshot of it. It drops it down here in the right corner. And all you do is you click on that and there's your screenshot. And in order to save it, all you have to do is hit done and it automatically saves the screenshot to your desktop. Okay? And it's just really that simple. So if you got any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment right down below. And if you like this video and want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.